Statistical numbers where 50-50 chance you could get back-to-back 80s on a weekend like we had this weekend, and it's like somewhere in April. This is unbelievably unusual weather, and the last time we're probably going to have both Saturday and Sunday in the 80s in some time. The official high was 80-60. Actually, let me see if I can put that backwards and run that again. Yeah, 80-60, so that's 14 degrees above normal in both categories and more like September weather here in mid-November. You want to get out and enjoy the evening? Yes, do that. I mean, these temperatures are freakishly warm, well above normal for this time of year in the evening hours. We have even warmer weather ahead, if you can believe that. This is how it looks outside right now. Absolutely gorgeous evening. I mean, temperatures are sitting at 80 degrees, the dew point 59. Get out and see these temperatures, feel these temperatures in the 70s across the evening. Okay, tomorrow, 87 degrees. That would tie a record high. Tuesday, 84 degrees. That would beat the record for the date of 83. So a couple of record highs in store for us as we start our work week, and then everything changes. First alert weather days for Wednesday and Thursday because of the rain threat, especially on Thursday. And then we're going to settle into some typical temperatures for this time of year, probably to close the month the way it's looking. But today we're at 80, 14 degrees above normal, 20 degrees above normal tomorrow, near that on Tuesday, records, and then we're still in the 80s on Wednesday with rain chances starting to show up, so not a record high. But a first alert weather day, Wednesday, Thursday. Again, I am much more concerned about Thursday the way it's looking right now, and I think this is going to be a big rain. The irony is, on the very first day of this month, we got 3/100ths of an inch of rain and then not a drop. We haven't had practically any rain this entire month, and suddenly I'm talking to you about the risk of flooding here across North Texas. All right. Now let me show you this system. It is coming in from the west. It's actually a huge upper level trough. This is a significant storm system. This is kind of what you get this time of year, a really powerful system. So Wednesday, scattered stuff in the afternoon, picks up on the overnight hours. I've stopped it here in the morning on Thursday. We could get a couple of waves on Thursday, a first ahead of the front and then along the front, and the one along the front would have the biggest rain with it. There's some significant amounts of moisture in the atmosphere, so when it gets going, it's going to rain really hard. Temperatures will only be in the 60s. This is at the core of the problem. You're looking at precipitable water, which is, I know, meteorological term, but it's about how much water vapor is in the atmosphere. It's 200 to 300% above normal as we go into Thursday. So as soon as it's tapped into, there will be significant rain. They're already saying, you know, a slight risk of flooding, 2 to 4 inches possible in some areas. Amazing. No rain this month, and suddenly we're talking about flooding. After that, look at these temperatures, where they should be this time of year. That's next weekend, and those are the temperatures heading into Thanksgiving. Stay with us. Steve Pickett, be right back.